How to untag yourself on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, start by opening the TikTok app on your device. Now you want to tap on the inbox option at the bottom of your screen. Now over here, if somebody has tagged you in a post, it's going to be shown here. So simply tap on that notification. Now sometimes you simply don't want to be tagged in a post, and if some other account has tagged you without your permission, or you just don't want to be tagged, then for that you want to tap on where you have been tagged here at the bottom. Then you have the option to remove tag. Tap on that option. Once you have done that, you have successfully untagged yourself on TikTok. Now you can add tag again afterwards if you want that. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.